They introduced me bongbongs.
Tsaka hot yoga, guys. All coming out. It's like a fountain. So, for tonight's video, meron nagbigay sa akin ng pasalubong from Philippines.
Yaya! I also have a butterscotch and my favorite biscocho.
Wow!
Biscocho.
Bongbongs.
I think this is from Cebu.
Because when I was in college,
Also have like
I'm not sure whether is that no, not a tour. There is like kind of work in Department of Tourism in Philippines. So luckily I went. They bring me to Cebu, and yes,
I finally they introduced me bongbongs.
so,
It's eating time. It's Chrissy Eats.
open one. I'm actually Dan Mahigina, and I'm just having this for my
Pampatanggal umay.
thanks for the mother of Rose who give me this, and shout out to you, Tita.
Thank you for this one.
Nice. Actually, hindi siya matamis, hindi siya matabang, pero it's perfect. It's perfect blend ng food. It's kind of like
Brownish ng gulpila.
sarap. Hindi ako pwede kung ang super dami. Kasi nga, I have my acid reflux. So, I have to reduce everything at night. Hindi ako pwede kumain. Sobra. Kasi nga, hindi rin ako nakakatulog. So, nahihirapan ako matulog sa gabi. So, at exactly 3 a.m., I have to wake up and change my position of sleeping, which is I'm going to sit. Otherwise, all coming out. It's like a fountain that you cannot ever stop. It's automatic. That's why I always drink Gaviscon for my night, where they don't suggest to have it every day. Kasi nga, it will, immune your system, and it will always look for your body. So, kaya yun guys, medyo hinay-hinay lang guys sa pagkain, kasi hindi natin alam na sobra na pala siya. Kaya, I suggest eat moderately, huwag masyado mag-inom, drink occasionally, and then huwag masyadong kumain ng mamantika, kasi it's really cost. And then huwag uminom ng may caffeine, like soft drinks, yan. Apple juice, isa din yan, nagpapaano ng acid reflux, so nagpapa-trigger, kaya avoid it. You can have it, but it should be moderate, and that's my payo lang, kasi nga I've been in that kind of situation, and it's really difficult, especially when you have a corporate job and you always go at work on time. You have a lot of things to do. You have to submit this with your boss. There is a lot of deadlines. So, you have a proper sleep, and you should have always in a good condition. Pilates. So Pilates is a very good one. I also tried that, and it's really enhanced my flexibility. actually it's reducing my tummy kasi it's super big na. I have to reduce it. Tsaka hot yoga, guys. Hot yoga is one of the best thing. And I'm really grateful and thankful for I have a friends who always introduce me to that and always giving me advice on how to become being well-being. Paano ba? Yung ano kasi in normally kasi ang mood ko is laging irritable, laging galit, laging buwiset and everything. So by doing Pilates and also hot yoga, then it's really helped actually, and it's giving me a different kind of perspective in life kasi nga nadadivert yung mga bad energy mo to something else. So kaysa naman mapagod ka kakaisip ng ibang bagay na wala ka naman laban, why don't you choose that kind of wellness thing. So soon guys, magkakaroon tayo ng Chris Wellness. So ipapakita ko sa inyo soon ang mga bagay-bagay na gagawin ko para at least ma-enhance din yung well-being ko. At the same time, pwede ko sa inyong introduce. Pwede ko sa inyong ipakita from right now to future. So wait for that. So this is the end of my short story of my life. So soon there's a lot of things that I'm going to share with you guys kasi nag-umpisa pa lang ako. So kailangan ko lang ng medyo madaming lakas ng loob kasi nga medyo camera conscious ang lola nyo. So kailangan ko din ng mga insight, ng mga advice, ng mga content creator dyan. So please like and share and subscribe for my Chrissy Eats. So see you soon guys. Bye bye. Thank you.